Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating a reliable open dataset and confirming you have permission to use it. Once done, prioritize machine-readable formats like CSV or JSON. You should register API keys only when required and copy sample endpoints so you can test quickly. Make sure to capture schema details, field names, data types, timestamps, and geolocation fields. This lets you plan parsing and storage. Avoid manual copying. Download or query small paged samples to validate access before scaling up. You now ingest samples programmatically and automate normalization so downstream tools can rely on consistent fields. Start with a small pipeline. Fetch pages with retries, parse types, and map fields to your canonical schema. Then apply cleaning rules, trim strings, harmonize time zones, and cast numbers so aggregation works reliably. Once parsing is stable, add validation steps, range checks and duplicate detection, log anomalies for review. This prevents surprises when you scale to full datasets or join multiple sources. You finish by exporting clean data into a shareable format and documenting provenance so others can reproduce your work. Once done, push data to your database or export as Parquet/CSV and attach a metadata file listing source, access date, and transformation steps. Make sure to version outputs and automate periodic refreshes. If issues occur, first check API rate limits and authentication, then examine schema drift or unexpected time offsets. Addressing those quickly restores pipeline reliability and trust.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.